All right, so being homeless does not give you a pass to break into locations and steal scratch offs and steal cigarettes. Do you understand?
In this heated courtroom scene, Judge Buzz confronts a defendant who just can't stay clean. He claims he was homeless, high, and just following someone else's lead. But Judge Buzz has heard it all before, and she's not buying the excuses. Whether should tear him down about his choices, his failed probation, and his refusal to take responsibilities, and then hands down a sentence he won't forget.
All right, court is calling 2024 CR 4900, State of Texas versus Damian Trevino. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Okay for Mr. Trevino.
Are you Mr. Trevino?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Trevino, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with burglary of a building with intent to commit theft? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine to be probated. State recommends deferred adjudication, and they're asking for a felony drug court evaluation. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
Excuse me, Judge. I believe the paperwork says no contest.
All right, you want to speak to your client about the difference between a no contest plea and a guilty plea? All right, how do you wish to plead?
No content.
State, any evidence?
Leave it as attached, Your Honor, as Exhibit 1.
All right, any objections?
No objection, Judge.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
My client wishes, I ask that you follow the agreement.
All right, why are you breaking into buildings and taking cigarettes and scratch offs?
Drug related. I was having a drug problem. I was homeless.
All right, so being homeless does not give you a pass to break into locations and steal scratch offs and steal cigarettes.
Yes, Your Honor.
And just so you know, when you steal scratch offs, you know what ends up happening? You still won't be able to get the money because all of those scratch offs at every locations, they're numbered. And all the person has to do is say, these numbers are missing. It's similar to people when they want to sell airline tickets. Those are all numbered. So what would have end up happening if you would have got a scratch off and won $1 million, you would have went to go, try to get your $1 million and you would have been arrested. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So where are you living now?
With my mother. Well, I'm at lifetime recovery right now.
All right. How long have you been there?
53 days.
Okay. And what was your drug of choice?
Meth and marijuana.
And who was the person who was with you?
I don't know that person.
Oh, so y'all just randomly,
Well, he opened the doors and I was watching him going in and out, so I went in.
I'm sorry, what?
He had opened the doors, and then I just followed him. Well, after I seen him come in and out, I went in and practically picked up after him.
Okay, I still don't understand what you're saying. So are you saying that somebody else was already in the location, burglarizing the location, and they opened the door for you and just was like, hey, I'm here, you're here, come on in?
No, like he just opened it up, and I was really
Really what?
out of state. Like I was really high, and I didn't know what I was thinking.
If you're drug tested today, what are the results gonna be?
Negative.
All right. Probation, can I get a drug test today from Mr. Trevino? All right. Are you able to provide a sample right now? You don't need to take a water break or anything? All right, so he's gonna provide a sample. It'll take them 5 minutes, then but Sean, do you have the results on Damian Trevino? Okay, awesome. Yay. I'm happy for you on that. Keep up with that, okay? All right, we're back on the record in 2024 CR 4900, State versus Damian Trevino. So probation is telling me that your UA was negative. That's a good thing. Make sure that you stay vigilant. You understand? Because it's easy to backslide.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. State, on Damian Trevino, is there any restitution to the building? Was it, for the lottery tickets, which I guess they have to reprint or destroy, and the cigarettes?
As far as we are aware, no, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, do you have any children?
Yes, Your Honor.
What are their ages?
He's 9 years old.
I'm sorry?
9.
All right, and who is your child with?
The mother right now.
All right, court is gonna sentence you to a $500 fine that will be probated. 4 years deferred adjudication. We're gonna do a felony drug court evaluation and tell you, do not tell felony drug court that you don't have a drug problem, because obviously you do, you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna order lifetime recovery. You are not allowed to leave lifetime recovery, and leave the program unless I give you permission to leave the program. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
There's gonna be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Proof of employment within 90 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There is to be 120 hours of community service restitution. How do you spend your days?
Walking.
Okay. Did you graduate?
I got my high school diploma online.
All right. So I'm gonna order 120 hours of community service restitution. That will be waived if you obtain a trade school certificate, or you try to do something to better yourself.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and improve your employment chances.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm also gonna order parenting classes. Regular random UAs. Field visits. 1 time per month. For 4 months. At Lifetime Recovery, do they have you doing sober meetings?
I had an interview yesterday for a sober living home, and I got another one next Sunday.
All right, we're gonna do 60 sober meetings in 60 days. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Oh, thanks, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. To be successful on probation in this court, communication is key. If there's an issue, let your probation officer know about it. If you feel as though your probation officer is not addressing it, you can always come back to the court and we'll see what's going on.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And if you feel like you think you're gonna use, that's when you call your sponsor. That's when you call your probation officer. And if you can't get in touch with anybody, we're here throughout the week, but not on weekends or holidays, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Yes, thank you.
Versus Damian Trevino. Can I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state, Teresa Max Vasquez for the defense.
And are you Damian Trevino?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you need to speak up so I can hear, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Damian Isaiah Trevino who's placed on deferred adjudication 2024 CR 4900 for the offense of burglary of a building on June 10th, 2024 for a term of 4 years? Is that you? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 28 on or about the 24th day of January 2025 in Brazoria County, Texas. The defendant, Damian Isaiah Trevino, did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Substance Abuse Felony Punishment Facility Continuum of Care Treatment Plan, and that the defendant was unsuccessfully discharged from the Stringfellow Safe P Unit in Rosharon, Texas, in violation of condition number 28.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of number 28, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 28?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 28 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, Judge. The state is asking that you grant the state's motion, revoke the defendant's, or adjudicate the defendant guilty, revoke his community supervision, and sentence him to 2 years in the state jail. This is his second MTR. He was placed on deferred adjudication by the court on June 10th of 2024. He was ordered to go to Safe P, and during his time there, he did receive multiple offense reports, including testing positive for K2. And so we are requesting that you sentence him.
Testing for positive at Safe P. Inquiring minds want to know. All right. Yes. Counsel, what are you requesting?
Yes, Judge, after talking to my client and going through his options, we are asking the court to consider the time that he has been there as satisfied, and he's been in custody for 2 months, I believe. Yeah. About a year, Judge, working, as they just mentioned, working that program unsuccessfully. And request that the court, his original offer included 1 year, Judge. He did not take that off.
Oh, no. Here's the thing. I'm not allowed to hear about what your
Okay.
previous plea bargain negotiations.
Understood.
Those confidential.
Understood. He chose an option that gave him more time, and we would like the court to consider that 1 year might be considered satisfactory for the situation that we're in today, and to take that into consideration as serving the time that he's already been in custody.
All right, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Damien Isaiah Trevino.
All right, what did you successfully complete on probation?
I went to lifetime recovery. I was doing AA meetings at the lifetime recovery.
Why are you doing drugs at safety?
Fed into the wrong crowd.
Oh.
Got offered it. Thought I wasn't.
People always think they're not going to get in trouble. If you just follow the rules, you'll do good things. Did he successfully complete lifetime recovery?
Yes.
And he also did take responsibility for the transgression in safety, Judge.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else?
I think it.
No, I was going to parenting class.
Did you complete it?
All right.
No. All right, the court is going to find you guilty, revoke. The court will sentence you to 23 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served, and the court will request a therapeutic community. All right, since he didn't successfully complete inpatient treatment time, he's not entitled to that time.
In the end, Judge Bowles revoked his probation and sentenced him to 23 months in state jail. She made it clear, every choice has consequences. Every second choice has a limit. Even as she punished him, she reminded him that help is still possible if he chooses to finally take it. What do you think? Did Judge Boyle go too far? Or was this exactly the wake-up call he needed? Let us know in the comment, and do not forget to subscribe for more unfiltered courtroom moments where Judge Bowles pulled no punches. Thank you.